the downs with the third screencast on advanced documents. I'm going to show you how to send an email first. So let's say I have inside of Google Drive a document that I would like to email. I'm going to click on that document. When it comes up, click on File. You will then have the option to drop down and email this as an attachment. I would like to send this as a Word document to the other science teacher. And I could even send a copy of this to myself as well if I would like. That way she can edit any of the changes on this. You can also email the collaborators, which, as you can see, Jordan Brown was the one that created this. So I could email it as a collaborator as well. One of the neat things within Google Documents is using the template option. So if you go to File, go to New, drop down from Template, you can go through a gallery and find one that suits you. Some of the nice things within the public templates are you could maybe record grades or track behavior. You can find one that suits you, or you can create your own. You can see that there are other templates or my templates if you start to make what your own. Let's just go ahead and find one that works for one of my classes. So let's go students and teachers. And I want to maybe do class notes. So let's click on use this template. You're able to edit your new template. So if you want to rename it to student information, you can have a new title. Maybe this is for Mount Zion students. And you could go through and edit any of those changes as well. Let's say that you would like to publish this new template. So if you go to File, scroll down to Publish to the Web and click on that. This would allow you to maybe have your document content available as a web page or to maybe a shared file. It basically makes a URL, and you can publish that as a link, or you're able to embed it as well. And this ensures the document, if you were to click on Publish Content, that they automatically republish when the changes are made, or maybe you want them to sign into their account, so only the required viewers are allowed to use this. So that's another good trait about this. Another very useful thing to do is, let me go back to my iMovie. And let's say I want to do a research, needing more information about Kingdom Protista. If I hit Control-Shift-Y, or if I go to Tools and down to Research, iMovie information will pop up. Let's say I wanted more information about Kingdom Protista, and I highlight that. Tools, Research, and information about Kingdom Protista will pop up. One of the things that the kids are required to do is grab pictures. So if you click the drop-down box, you can view images. There's a lot of other places, tables, dictionary, quotes, scholar images. Basically everything that Google has found for that would work underneath the research topic. What is really nice here is you can insert and add a link into the body of the document, or even cite information here as well. I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. Next thing I'd like to show you is how to view a revision history, which is kind of neat because if you go to File, See Revision History, you could see any changes that Jordan has made or even I came in and made some edit information. They are color coded based on like the collaborator or whoever is working on it, which is good for evaluating maybe group participation for a class project. And if you go down the bottom, you can see a more detailed revision list. And if you click on it, you can always go back and restore to this revision, which is very helpful if something you change you don't like later on. Let's say I want to see what kind of edits, or I have something that I want to make a comment on. I can click comment box, click add a comment, and maybe I say this needs to be more detailed. I can make a comment and that will be added so the collaborator can look at this. Also, if you click on the little pencil where it says mode, you can edit there or even make a suggestion. So if I were to go back to look at some of the old revisions, I can see in green some of those changes that occurred. And those would be crossed off or in color coded. I can make suggestions for those as well. And that is it for my third screencast. Thanks for watching.